In this video, I'm going to cover a couple of areas regarding the installation of your software. Now, you've purchased developer rights to the software, and that means you get to place it anywhere you like. You can put it in a membership site, you can put it on a WordPress install, you can put it on an HTML page. You can give access to it, you can put it behind an autoresponder code and give access to people if they give you your email address. Great for list building. A lot of options here, okay? But the first step is actually getting your software installed. So what we're going to do in this video is show you, I'm going to show you a couple things. I'm going to show you how to install it on a WordPress install. Now when you open up your notepad file, you're going to have the HTML iframe and the WordPress iframe, okay? So for a WordPress install, you would think, well, I have to use a WordPress iframe. It's not necessarily the case. It really depends on the plugins that you have installed in your site. And I don't want to make this too complicated, but honestly, in most of my installs, I use the HTML iframe. I put it right here inside of a WordPress install. So let me show you how that's done. Let me just grab the copy. I'm going to copy this file here, and I'm going to paste it in my WordPress install. Now I have a page called Software Demo. Let me go ahead and hit View Page. So you can see that there's nothing there, okay? There's absolutely nothing there. So I'm going to hit the text button here. I'm going to paste this code right in there. I'll go back to the visual, and you can see that my software is there. I'm going to click on it, and I'm actually going to center it. Okay, hopefully it put the center tags around it, and it did not. Sometimes you get that with WordPress, so I'll go ahead and type that in. Center, and this is about the extent of my HTML knowledge here, putting center tags around things. Alright, now I'll go ahead and click Update. Now while that's updating, I should be able to go back to my page here, and when I refresh, my software should be there. We hit refresh, and there it is. Okay, so you can see my software is now on a WordPress install. And honestly, that was using the HTML iframe. Okay, so it does work. Now, this is the WordPress install. I'll go ahead and copy that and put that in here. All right, now I'll hit update using the WordPress install. Go back to my page here. Let me hit refresh while that's installing. Okay, and you can see that my code is there. Now the only reason why this code is there is because I have this plugin right here, the Sasset Frame plugin, and you're going to need to install that plugin. That plugin is part of the deal here. So here's the plugin. Now in order to install a plugin, all you need to do is go to your plugins tab, you hit the add new, alright, and then you upload this plugin to your WordPress install. Just hit the browse button. I have my plugin, it's right here, Sasset Frame. Hit open, and that plugin should install. Okay, so that's how you install on a WordPress page. So once your plugin is installed, you should be able to use both the iframe and the WordPress codes here. Okay. Now another thing that I wanted to point out is you do have some flexibility here on the width and the height of your software. You can see here that it's got a pretty big width, and it's, you know, it's pretty high here. All this white space, you may not need it. So you can change your code here, change the height to 600, and it'll go ahead and change it here on the display. Okay? Really easy, guys. Really easy to install this software. You can start building WordPress membership sites and start installing the software and start selling it, start building a list with it. It's all up to you. Okay? Thanks so much for watching this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to install it on just a regular HTML page.